Hello guys, I know this is not my usual type of video, but it's just something cool that I've been making. Here's a little design that I've been working on. It's based on the new design of the Starship from SpaceX. Um, and I mean, I think it works pretty well. These fins that you see here actually work pretty well in stabilizing the rocket for landing, as well as the air brakes here. They really help a lot when landing. There's still a lot to do to improve this. In fact, I just did a bit of a design change on the booster because it was something else before. Not gonna get into that because it was really dumb design. It might still be a dumb design, but I don't really care. It seems like it's not correctly. Well, never mind. Doesn't really matter at this point, does it? So I'm gonna take off now. I'm gonna throttle up all the way so I can take off. Seems to be working fine, the booster. Looks clean. I'm gonna try to get into low Earth orbit, hopefully, successfully. Because I haven't been able to get into LEO. So I'm just gonna try that. So it's running right now. Gonna throttle down a bit. And I mean, that was a pretty fast burn. Let's see how the orbit is going. It's not that much, so I'm gonna speed up a bit. Okay, we seem to be fine here. Gonna burn again. Last burn. Or maybe not. Depends. Okay, I'm gonna do a second burn. 3, 2, 1. There you go. I'm gonna burn a bit. There you go. As you can see, I changed the engine on this stage. I have no idea if was the right choice. That's why I'm testing it right now. Let's see if I can get to low Earth orbit. Seems like I might be able to do it, but hang on, I gotta fix myself. And I'm gonna reach it soon. There we go. And then I'm just gonna go a bit faster. Then here we can try to burn again. And we reached orbit. Cool. Now, I'm gonna wait till we get to the daylight here. Just like orbit a few times. And I think we're gonna land somewhere here. Maybe we'll just make it so we land on the beach or the desert. So you can see the booster just crashed into the water. Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna land on the desert. Try to land on the beach, maybe? I might not have enough fuel to fucking land on the beach, yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna roll away. And it seems we're gonna land on a lake. I'm gonna try to save as much fuel as possible because as you can see we don't have that much. But with this engine, I'm not even sure if we would be able to land even with enough fuel. The vectoring engines, not the vectoring, the vector engines were actually pretty nice for this kind of, well, mission. Should have just slow down a bit, maybe. Nor burn, slow down. And for now, I'm just gonna let the atmosphere do its job. Yeah, it's not looking good. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so this test failed. I think what I'm gonna do is gonna put more fuel on the landing stage. I think I can maneuver through this like a plane a bit and maybe land on the water. I'm gonna try to use my brakes. That might have just been the worst idea ever, but I'm just gonna try to fly like a plane right now. Hopefully we'll land on the water. There you go. Just like, okay. Yeah. Just gonna get some more motion here. Then we can glide. And then, since we're close enough, we're going a bit too fast, I feel like. I'm gonna try to get it to 70 meters per second. I don't think it's not gonna be enough, is it? Well, we landed on the water, and I think we survived. Yeah, there you go. Well, that was a failed test. I'll come back with a new design on a bit.